Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to delete a project in Webflow step by step. Whether you've just outgrown a project, made a duplicate by accident, or you're simply looking to clean up your workspace, knowing how to remove unwanted projects can help you stay organized and focused. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only know exactly where to find the delete button, but you'll also understand how to handle things if you're on Webflow's free plan, where deleting isn't an option. Let's dive in. First off, here's an important detail many people miss. On Webflow's free plan, you actually can't delete your site project outright. That option is only unlocked if you have an upgraded plan like a paid workspace or if you're an editor on a team plan. Now, I know that might be a bit frustrating if you're just starting out or testing Webflow for the first time, but let's see what the deletion process actually looks like in case you do upgrade later, or if you're already on a premium plan. So if you do have an upgraded or team plan, you'll want to begin by finding the project you want to delete on your dashboard. Click to open the project and head into its site settings. The settings panel is where you control everything related to your project, from hosting and custom code to fonts and SEO. For our purpose, make sure you're within the general tab. Now, here's a little tip. You'll need to scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the page. It's easy to miss if you don't know to look for it. When you're down there, you'll see a red delete button. This is your last stop. Webflow puts it down here to make sure you really mean business before deleting a project. Once you click delete, it'll prompt you to confirm again just in case. Take your time with this, double check that you're in the right project, and when you're sure, you can go ahead and confirm. Deleting is permanent, so give yourself a quick moment to be absolutely certain. But now let's address the part that a lot of folks are here for. What if you're using Webflow's free plan? You might have noticed there's no delete option. Maybe you have some old projects cluttering up your dashboard. Luckily, Webflow provides a handy workaround. You can archive your site. While archiving is exactly the same as deleting, it works very similarly in practice. Archived sites are removed from your active project list, and you'll no longer see them unless you specifically visit the archive. It's a little like putting things into a storage box in your attic. You can get them back if you really need to, but they're out of your way for everyday tasks. Here's how to archive your project. Again, start in the project settings. Within the General tab, this time look towards the top of the screen. You'll spot an archive icon. It looks a bit like a filing box. Click on that icon and Webflow will ask you to type in the name of the project just to make sure you're archiving the right one. It's a small safety measure so you don't accidentally archive the wrong site. Go ahead and type it in, then hit confirm. That's it, your site project is now archived and off your main dashboard. Don't worry if this feels a bit different from deleting. The effect is almost the same, and you can always restore it later if you change your mind. And that's all there is to it. Whether you're on a free or paid plan, you now know exactly how to clear up your Webflow project list and keep your workspace tidy. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give the video a like and drop your questions down in the comments if there's anything you're unsure about or just want to chat about Webflow. And of course, subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.